Hello. Well, it is back to work. Last week was my birthday. I was super busy. Oops, I've untied my little bow. So this week we're gonna plan. I didn't post one last week. I just had so much going on, I'll be honest. I just sit down and back planned last week before I did this one. And then I'm gonna plan this week. But you know, that's okay. Some weeks is more like a memory plan anyway. So this week I'm going to use these two clips. This one is by Threadhead Designs. It's a pretty butterfly. And this one is by the Felty Depot. It's a pretty purple planner. I thought the colors went really well with this Be the Light kit by Doraelia, Crafts by Doraelia. So I thought these were very pretty kits. I like the purples and the blue. I did write the days of the week because I kind of messed up my numbering here. But that's the good thing about, I started with Monday being the 8th when it's really the 9th. But that's a good thing about planners. You just put a sticker over it and it covers it up. So I just hand wrote out the days of the week. That way they would be there and not in the way. And then I had by Three Tiny Bows these cute little Planner Girl stickers because I do planning. And you can save 20% off with her with code TTBVANNESSA. She's got a ton of new releases out and I do PR for her. And then by Brianna Nicole Designz, I have the YouTube icons and she runs a lot of sales. So make sure you check out my Instagram, at Vanessa76, so you can be posted when she runs sales. So let's go ahead and get started. And I think we will start with the days of the week to cover up where I messed up my dates. But yeah, not perfect, but it's okay. I think Wednesday we might have to put just a little something over it. It might be a little longer. Ah, my sticker did cover it up. I wasn't sure if it would. But I think that's cute and it adds a little bit more color. So it all worked out all right in the end. Boo-boos happen. It was just a super busy week and I was planting flowers and just busy. And I had like my craft stuff all tore up where I was trying to get it. I got a new armoire to put it in, and so I was doing some sorting, and every time I'd sit down to plan I just got a little overwhelmed. It was just such a mess that I couldn't work like that. So it ended up being a back week planning. I don't usually like to plan like that, but you know, if you get overwhelmed and it stresses you out, sometimes it's just better to walk away. And that's what I did. Oops. And these are made for the Mini Happy Planner, and I do plan in a Recollections Planner. So they are just, this one's just a hair long. So I'll just trim that right up. So I hope everybody had a good 4th of July. It was kind of odd with the holiday being in the middle of the week for, you know, where I work. I know a lot of places are shut down the whole week of July 4th, but where I work, they shut down in August. So it was having Wednesday off. You know, I worked Monday and Tuesday. And then we had Wednesday off, and then I went back to work Thursday, which was, of course, my birthday. But it was like having 2 Mondays in a week. It was just kind of, ugh. I don't think I much cared for the holiday during the week. It was just kind of odd. I mean, it's all good. I had a good holiday. But it was it was like 2 Mondays, and everybody I talked to is like, yeah, it's like being at work for the second Monday in a row. It's like, yeah, it kind of is. But it was nice to, you know, have that extra. It was kind of like an extra vacation day. Because, you know, you work 2 days, you're off a day, then you work 2 more days. But it was still kind of like some short weeks. It just kind of messed everything up. But it was a good holiday. Had fun. Had a good birthday. Another year older, but I'll take a birthday over not having one. And we just kind of did this side in the middle. So what I'm going to do is start this over here. Just to make it a little easier to trim. And that way I can just take my scissors and trim it off. I do like these nice purple strips. This is a very pretty colorful kit. I've got so much Happy Mail that I haven't even opened. I've just been so busy. I've just been setting everything aside, so eventually I will hopefully get to that. Alright. So this does have the full box for down here. Oops, it looks like I'm going to cover up the notes. And that is A-okay. I'm going to kind of center this, that way you can still see some of the color. And then I'll put full boxes here. Because these are just a little bit, I said bigger, because they are made for the Mini Happy Planner. So they overlap just a little bit. And then I'm going to put the weekend banner right here. So there's that side. But I really do like all the different colors. I like a lot of color. It's a very pretty, colorful layout. So I figured I'd put these boxes in to kind of put what the highlight activity of that day is. Because this one I just used for my social media planning. So I do want to put my YouTube, so I can keep track of my followers, and then I'll put the Insta right here. And I didn't dig out an Insta sticker, but there's this cute little washer. So we're just filling in the blue water and making a nice little square there and a line. I think that looks kind of a bit like the Instagram sticker, enough that, you know, I know what it means. And I'll put that one right there. I think that's all I want off of these. I can do my to-do because I do have stuff to do today. So the big thing to do is film. Alright. Finished with that. And then I do like these really cute little planner girls. So I wanted to put her there. Put her on Sunday because hopefully I get back into my regular schedule. And flowers just because they're pretty. Alrighty. And I think I will fill in as I go along on my schedule. Sorry, Luna's messing with some cords she has found. So there is my spread for the week, and thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.